Let's learn this song by Arcade Fire. It's basically three parts, two parts, depending on how you think of it. The rhythm is like 1 2 3 4 It's like a shuffle. And I'm doing some heavy palm muting on there because I got quite a loud distortion going. D, A, F sharp minor, B minor. Okay, we got D and B minor, so we know it's in the key of D. That repeats. D, A, F sharp, B minor. And then that continues until it gets to that part. The second part is just D, E, sharp minor. E, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then it goes back to D. Okay, have fun playing that. Bye-bye.